Writing an explorer report is really about organizing history into clear sections. For grades 4 through 6, that structure matters because students are learning how to turn research into paragraphs. A strong report answers 5 main questions. First, who was the explorer and when did they live? Second, where did they travel and why? Third, what did they accomplish or help people learn? Fourth, what challenges did they face? Finally, what was their lasting impact? For example, Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese explorer born around 1480. He led a Spanish expedition that searched for a western route to the Spice Islands. His crew crossed the Pacific Ocean and completed the first voyage around the world. Along the way, they faced storms, hunger, sickness, and mutiny. Today, Magellan's expedition is remembered for improving maps and global navigation, while also affecting indigenous societies already living in those regions.